Surfshark. What is Surfshark? Surfshark is a reliable VPN. The results of our testing were impressive. Surfshark unblocks most streaming services and provides several encryption options to balance security with speed. It works on first desktops and laptops, Mac, Windows, and Linux. Second, mobile devices and tablets, iOS and Android. Third, browser extensions, Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. For smart TVs, Fire TV and Android TV. You can even use their smart DNS feature to stream content on devices that don't support VPN apps like smart TVs and Apple TV. Surfshark offers various services are as follows. Surfshark's main product is its award-winning VPN online service, but they also offer two other services. First, antivirus protection when you sign up for Surfshark One. Second, provides a search engine that lets you search completely anonymously online. Why we use Surfshark VPN? It will keep your browsing private and secure while also allowing unlimited bandwidth so that you have the freedom to browse in peace without worrying about data caps. Surfshark provides the following features. First, strict no logs policy. Second, protection for unlimited devices on one account. Third, 3,200 plus servers in 65 countries. 4, private DNS and leak protection. 5, two-factor authentication. 6, 24/7 support. The pricing of Surfshark is as follows. First, choose between monthly $12.95 per month, 12 months $3.99 per month, and 2-year $2.49 per month. Second, we can pay with a credit card, PayPal, Zofort, Google Pay. Third, Amazon Pay and crypto. Get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Pros. First, support for all operating systems and devices plus unlimited connections. Second, strong privacy protection policies. Third, secure encryption and leak protection features. 4, passed an independent security audit. 5, large, secure server network operating in RAM disk. 6, multi-hop VPN plus extra features. Cons. First, average open VPN speeds. Second, limited VPN router support. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also visit our Facebook and Instagram pages.